Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about Vanguard S&P 500 index fund. It is one of the widely used index fund for the beginner investor, and it is a very diversified index fund. This exchange trading fund invests in stocks in the S&P 500 index, representing 500 of the largest US companies. Its goal is to closely track the index return, which is considered a gauge of US stock returns. It offers a very high potential for investment growth. Share values rises and falls more sharply than that of funds holding bonds. So let's talk about its performance and price. As of May 22, end of May 22, its price is $271.55 per share. And if you see, it has provided a range. A 52-week high is $310. That happened in February 19th this year. And 52-week low is $204, which happened about a month later on March 23rd. And it provides the graph here below provides the growth of $10,000 in hypothetical $10,000 over 1 year period, 3 year period, 5 year period, and 10 years period. So 3 years period, we'll see if somebody invested $10,000 in April 17. Now it becomes almost, after 3 years, it becomes almost $13,000. So it's close to it's $13,000. And now 5 years, somebody if invested in April 2015, it will be in April 2020 it is become $15,446. So more than $5,000 return. And 10-year period, we'll see that if somebody invested in April 2010 after the Great Recession, $10,000, now in April 2020, a month earlier, it will become $32,480. So almost triple. It also provides the returns. S&P 500 return, you can see how it's the 3 years, 5 year, and since inception. So it provides before taxes, and also provides the breakdown before tax and returns after tax. Another important indicator is the portfolio and management. Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF seeks to track the performance of a benchmark index that measures the investment return of large capital stocks, and it is mostly domestic large cap index fund. It is a very small amount in foreign investment. There are 509 of a number of stocks. Its median market cap is 132 billion, and it provides the composition of which sector it invests. You'll see that information technology is the largest sector it invests. It has in information technology, S&P 500 Vanguard index fund invests 25.7%. The next largest one is healthcare, which has 15.4%. Its total net asset is $496.3 billion. Fees. Now we'll talk about fees. Expense ratio of S&P 500 index fund is 0.03%. And if you compare to the expense ratio of the similar fund, is 0.93%. So here the chart graph shows that fees on $10,000 invested over 10 years. So if over 10 years, if someone invested the similar funds, but not the Vanguard, but similar funds, then the expense at the end of 10 years will be $2,112. But if someone invested in this ETF, Vanguard ETF, the expense at the end of 10 years over $10,000, it will be $71. So we save $2,041. So that is all for now, and I will really encourage you to think about it. And if you think it is a good fund, so it is then you can invest through the Vanguard stock, or they also have a mutual fund version of it. But the advantage of this particular ETF over the mutual fund is that it can be traded during the regular business hours, and it is very liquid, and it is a great stock for the introductory investor. So that is all for today. Thank you.